basket without a clear idea of exactly where I was going. I just wanted to try weaving with these chasmanthe floribunda stems. And I had a vague idea of making a round basket. I'm splitting the round stems so that I can put some stakes inside of the other ones. And I start weaving in and out. I'm going to do a 2-strand weave for this. Here I am sticking the second strand in. And voila, the base is finished. Or no, it wasn't finished, but here I am increasing for shaping with bent twigs. So that I can increase it. Now the base is done. Chasmanthe floribunda is also known as African red flag. It's a big plant with really tall stems. Here I missed filming sticking the side stakes in, but I have poppy seed pods on stems and umbrella plant leaf stems. So here I'm adding a strip of palm sheath around the bottom to stabilize the side stakes. And I'm using cabbage tree leaves to strap the palm onto the stakes. Here, yeah, I start going the other direction. Woot woot! Cabbage tree is also known as cordyline australis. I love using a carpet hook to pull in my ends. Here I'm starting to twine with some chasmanthe floribunda iris leaves. Iris leaves are one of my favorite things to weave with. They're really long and thick and strong. And they don't take that long to soak. You can see I put a pot saucer in the bottom to help it be round, like really round, and also to hold the project down while I'm weaving. And I'm done with the twining, so I'm pulling in the ends. And then I'm going to do another 2-strand weave, like I did around the base. I start with another chasmanthe floribunda stem. This one's softer. I don't know, some of them are really soft and some of them are hard like sticks. It's just in and out. And then the next row will be another strip of palm sheath. And it'll just be going in and out in the opposite of what the chasmanthe floribunda stem was weaving. So now I'm back to twining, and this time I'm using cabbage tree leaves. The cabbage tree leaves have to soak for like at least an hour, but they're super strong. They stay on the plant for like years before they die, and I can harvest them. And they end up really dirty out in the pollution. But then I clean them. This video is a little messed up because I filmed it vertically instead of horizontally because I thought I was making a short video, but this project turned out way more complicated than I thought it would be. And I decided to make a longer video. We're getting uptight on those poppy seed heads. We're almost done. Here I am, reversing direction. Yeah. So that, because the poppy seed heads aren't all at the same exact height. It's confusing to go in the opposite direction. Pulling in the ends for the last time. Now the real star of the show is here. I tied some pieces down hoping that it would dry in the way I wanted to. There we are. It's done. Yay. Thank you so much for watching until the end. This is my first long form video. It's a little rough, but I'm going to get better. Because you know what? I'm not afraid to be a beginner.